everyone! Guess what I am cooking today? Do you know this book? It's Anne of Green Gables. I've loved this book since I was a child. Speaking of Anne, how about having a tea party with raspberry cordial? In the story, there is a famous episode. Anne invites her best friend Diana to a tea party, but by accident, she serves red wine instead of raspberry cordial. Let's make raspberry cordial today. The ingredients are frozen raspberries, sugar, and water. So simple. In Japanese, raspberry cordial is translated as strawberry water. When Anne of Green Gables was first published in Japan in 1952, raspberries were not yet common in Japan. I suppose the translator chose strawberry water to make it easier for Japanese girls to understand. First, thaw the frozen raspberries for 30 minutes. Next, put raspberries and water in the blender and blend it smooth. Put the mixture into a strainer. Press the berry juice through the strainer with a rubber spatula. Repeat the process. Blend berries and water in a blender. And strain the juice with a spatula. Strain it 2 or 3 times and it will become smoother. Add some water if you want it to be more liquid. The seeds have a fun popping texture, but let's remove them to make the juice smoother. Add some sugar and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, it's ready! Tea time! Welcome to Anne's tea party. So, let's taste the raspberry cordial. It's so good! Making raspberry cordial is pretty easy. Everybody please try making it. And be careful not to drink red wine!